Hi guys, so I thought I would do my quick review of our time in Flam. It's the 29th of April 2015 and we've been in the lovely Flam. This is going to be really quick, so I've got a lot of video to upload. I've uploaded actually getting into Flam, leaving Flam on the boat, even the walk from where we dock to the Flam Railway, because it takes about a minute and a half, it's not very long. An interesting picture about something on a hill where some people obviously aren't quite so keen on cruise ships turning up, and obviously a bit of footage from the Flam Railway. I've got to say we were quite lucky, it was really sunny, not raining, not cold or anything like that, so yeah, it was really nice. The waterfalls hadn't quite completely melted, defrosted, whatever the right word is, so they were still semi-frozen and semi-loose. So the main stop on the Flam Railway, the waterfall wasn't probably flowing as much as it could do, probably about 25% flowing, to be honest with you, so it was impressive, but could have been a lot better. But at the same time we had sun, so it wasn't raining or anything like that. It was a lovely railway ride. I've done it, so I probably wouldn't do it again, but you do see some beautiful scenery, but at the end of the day you are sat on a train. What I will say is Britannia came in, that's the ship that we were on. There's about 3,500 passengers, I think it is, so when we got off, the Marco Polo came in slightly after us, and they had to announce that there was no tickets left because Britannia had taken them all. I think there was a few people that got off Britannia that actually went and managed to book tickets directly, but due to the amount of excursions that were going to different places, I think the Flam Railway actually sold out. Speaking to a tour guide, they said 2,500 people from the 3,500 people on board Britannia actually booked excursions, so you can imagine how busy it was. But overall the railway is really good. It's meant to be the most beautiful railway in the world. I can see why. It's an hour to the top, then you get off, you get 5 minutes, and then you get back on and you come back down again, stopping at this little waterfall. Well, I say little, it was little when we saw it, but when it's free flow it's meant to be massive. But anyway, enjoy the videos and we'll catch up soon. Cheers guys, please like and subscribe. Bye. So here we are, it's 6:30 AM. We're on board P&O Britannia in April 2015, and as you can see we're in the Norwegian fjords as per my last video, and we're heading into Flam to get on board the Flam Railway. Not particularly sure what time we're docking, but this is the scenery you get in the fjords every day. Waking up to this, it's crazy. The water is flat calm and still, and it's really good. So I'm going to go and get some breakfast now, and when we get to dock in Flam I'll take some more videos, and then we're from the Flam Railway. Bye guys, see you later, bye. So here we are in Flam, that's just where we come from, that little inlet there. And this, I believe, is where we're heading. Hopefully you can see that. The little landing port just up there, look. Seems to be where we're going. Tiny little bridge. I mean, that's the first coach coming in for the excursions. Today we're going to go and do the Flam Railway. Check out this mountain range. Over there between the two brands there's got the snow-capped mountains. These are the lifeboats on Britannia. So just while we're docking in Flam, as you can see that, there's a little waterfall there. It actually comes right up the mountain. It sort of starts at the centre there and trickles down, and it becomes more apparent down there. Just alongside it there's some little huts there. Those 3 huts behind them, you can't see it on camera, there's a couple of kayaks. That probably is the tourist kayak excursion. Sadly that wasn't on offer today with P&O, but we are going for the ever popular Flam Railway because this is the first time we come here. The gap from the sea to the docking point is getting shorter. So you can't quite see it on camera, but over here there's a yellow building, there's a yellow building there, a red building, and then these little things here, they are train carriages, so that's obviously the Flam Railway. So literally the boat docks on this little bit of concrete, and then we must just get up and walk through these buildings into the Flam Railway there. That's very, very close, so I'm guessing we've not got a coach on this excursion. According to TripAdvisor, you can just get off and book a ticket for the Flam Railway yourself, but we've gone for a P&O excursion just because they were selling out fast and obviously don't want the hassle. But yeah, Britannia was moving into position on the dockside. We're going so slowly I won't film the whole lot, but yeah, very slowly moving into place. So here we are now, safely docked in Flam. Well actually, but looks like we're still just about moving in, they're pulling us into place. But that is the town of Flam from up here. It looks like a little mini model village. Not really much to it. But just over there is the railway station, so you can literally get off and walk to it. Okay guys, next time I make a video I will be at the railway station. Oh, here's interesting. This is a little boat coming in where they've gone and picked up our anchor, whoops, and obviously bringing it in and going to tow it up, tie it up even. This is Flam, April 2015. So here we are, P&O Britannia, April 2015, and we're in Flam. And just to show you how close we dock, there's the ship. You're right down there. There's the town and the railway. That's the famous Flam Railway. That's the Flam Railway Museum. Over there's a hotel. And back to Britannia.
It's a pub.
Okay, is it really?
It's a Vikings on it. Vikings.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a train.
Train.
What history is about trolls and things here?
No.
I just keep seeing them. I didn't know how it can link.
You heard the Billy Goat Scruff story?
I know, but we talked about that Billy Goat Scruff story.
Yeah, morning guys, I'm going to get together a quick picture of a ship with back.
All the way back.
We won't be here, quickly, right where you are.
That's right.
No, that's the biggest lesson in life you've just learned. How to say no.
Oh, we normally do, but I want to get good seats on the train
To
instead.
anything, you know, it doesn't feel right. No thank you.
We would normally, it's only because
No, they're on the train.
Oh, nice.
And we are going in the car from 6 to 9.
Okay.
the cabin ferry. It's not 629.
So this is Flam Railway.
You might lose some people on the way.
That's alright.
You want to stop it? It's like a big one.
Do you get many people come for holidays, stay for 2 or 3 days?
Yes, we have quite a lot coming in. Especially all the year, mostly in summer.
Sure.
All over the world, so they are, it's a tourist town.
Good.
The Fjords April.
And it's also very easy to get here from Oslo or Bergen. We are between Oslo and Bergen, then they go stop here on the way to Oslo or Bergen.
Probably only 400 people over here.
Many passengers disappointed today because they could not get tickets for the train.
So many, that's the big ship. We saw a lot of it on the television, on the radio, we heard about it.
Oh really?
So, yeah.
But now I've arrived.
And because you have over 4,000 people.
Left there or left there, I reckon. Cruise ships. Oh, no cruise ships. Oh. They're not ours.
No.
So this is the, and then we go inside.
Which is the best side?
On the right hand side. But 6 to 9. 6 to 9.
Center. You can also see Mount Vidmasnorsi, 1,263 meters above sea level. The next stop is the waterfall Sjulsfossen, platform to the left-hand side. The train will be standing here for about 5 minutes, and you may go out on the platform. Please.
in the winter you can do a lot of skiing. In the summer you are a lot of hiking up in the air. And berries, you do wild berries. And hunting. So it's a nice place. And there's the hotel.
House over B&B.